Okay, so this week we added a couple methods, one where you can actually update the details in an existing project and another to delete a project. So you can see them right here and down in our kind of menu printer. And they are um, pretty standard. The update project details method, you select a project, and basically what it's doing is it is pulling it pulls the project that you have selected and prints the details. And then if the user doesn't enter any input, they just hit enter, it will stuff the details from the original project in a new project object. And the delete project just prompts the user for a project ID. Project service is a pass-through as usual. There's a little bit of error handling if you have an invalid project ID. And project DAO is where most of the stuff happens. Again, you set up a string and treat it as a prepared statement, try and catch blocks. Same thing with update projects. It's just a little bit more of a complicated statement. But I think that this week to just go through the process. So here's my SQL statement that I wrote that will stuff a value into all of the tables and then they'll all be nicely related. So I'll go ahead and run this and just make sure that all my things coming up good. So we'll go back to Eclipse and run our program. So we can see that the project that I made is called test deletion project. So if we go ahead and look at that, oh, I need to select a project and I'll select test deletion project. And you can see there's, materials, there's steps, there's categories. So it's got all the good data there. So what I will do is I will select delete a project. Let's update it first. So update project details. The project name, we will call that delete me. And we can just leave the rest of this the same. And now you can see that our project name is changed to delete me. So now I'll choose my number 5 delete project menu option, and I will choose number project 7, which is the delete me project, and hit enter, and it's successfully deleted project 7. So I can pop back over here to SQL and I can select start from step, and there's no step for the delete step, and I can go project here, and the delete me project has been removed. So we saw the child table and the parent table, there's nothing in there. So that on delete cascade is working. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving.